Hi friends, so today I'm going to be introducing us to a math-based gaming app that is especially useful for um, our students from pre-kindergarten all the way to the 5th grade. And it also has reading content from pre-kindergarten all the way to the 2nd grade. And I think it's especially useful because It helps it helps students to develop a love for math early on. So how do we use SplashLearn? So you simply sign in or sign up if you're using the resource for the first time, and you can either, let's go firstly as a teacher or as a parent. You can either just create a fresh email for the password or simply log on with either Google or Facebook or your Apple ID, whichever you have. And yeah, so you have different classes you can create. You have the functionality of creating different classes. You can have multiple classes. I'm just going to exit drawing. I'm learning two apps at the same time, also Screen-O-Matic. And you can just input all your students in one group. So this is my current class, and if I want to find out, um, okay, so there's a class password and there's a class code which you can always share with the students at any time and their families. There's a function that helps you to manage your class. You have the roster, and that just shows you the students' login details. And many parents in my current class have actually linked themselves up um, to the program, which makes it very great. So they can also monitor from home what the kids are doing. You can download a parent letter. You can add students. Um, I haven't researched on how many students you can take at every point in time. And you can also edit your class settings. You can delete a class, which I don't want to do now. So you can allow multiple attempts. I'm just going to change it to a yes for my kids. And make assignments mandatory. I want to leave this as a no, because what it does is it prevents the kids from moving to another assignment, which may not be very great, um, especially when they're struggling with a skill. Um, Parents get to know when an assignment has been given. They get a weekly report, and I don't want to make a learning plan mandatory because I have a class of students with diverse needs and abilities in math. So I'm making that flexible. So yeah, I can go back to my um, dashboard, and I see a class health meter, which I like. It's saying my current class needs attention, which is true. Yeah, because I haven't been actively checking what they've been doing. And if I want to check what the students have been up to on a daily basis, I just have to click on the daily activity. A means, that no activity logged in, but has not attempted a problem. So this is when they're logged in, but has not attempted a problem. So I just need to send a message home to just let parents know that we have assignments, we have due assignments, and I can also track just like what I've done. So I'm just going back. Let me go to new assignment. Let me show you how to, why I like this is just follows, the curriculum just follows a common core. And I have the ability, I have the freedom to just show curriculum by Common Core standards or by Common Core milestone. And once I specify the grade, because in Nigeria we work curriculum ahead, though I have some kids working on the kindergarten level. So currently we're on word problems, and I have assigned them a word problem activity. So yeah, it's comparative word problems, addition word problems, that's been assigned to 11 students. And yeah, it works that way. So let's log in as a student and see what they see, which I actually like. So I'll sign out, and I'm going to log in, log back as a child. So I log in as a student, and okay, I don't mind sharing. Here's my class code. So the students all have this, and they actually know it. They do very well at it. They're digital natives. Now I'm the one struggling with it. Okay, and here they are. So I can just choose a student. I'll choose Darren. This is where I type in the password. It's a general one that everyone in the class has, and I sign in. This is being done on a Windows-based computer, and it's really great. I know it doesn't work very well on tabs, but it's very fast and easy to use on a Windows-based computer. So they have activities here from my teacher. They also have live tutoring by SplashLearn. They have some basic alphabet and number games, learning games, math facts, which I actually encourage them to practice when I've given them nothing to do. And that's a subtraction word problem. So I'm just going to try this out a little with us. And this is the interface, which I think is very great, very colorful, and they enjoy, and they get
Doug has
rewards.
70 baseball cards. He gives
I'm just going to drop the
40
volume.
baseball cards to his friend. How many baseball cards does he have left?
So 70 take away 40, we have 30. And there goes the reward coin.
80 baseball
so
cards.
That's how it works. And I think we should all try it out. Thank you. And just check it out. It's really fun.